guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix USB mouse keeps disconnecting. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering why your USB mouse here is being disconnected. Well, there are going to be multiple reasons that you might want to check here. So first things first is you want to guarantee that your mouse has enough power. Now, if this is a rechargeable mouse, usually there's going to be some indicator on it. So there are going to be some lights that indicates the charge that your mouse has. Or if you have a mouse that needs batteries, then in this case, you might want to replace your batteries. Sometimes the problem itself is going to be the power that your mouse is getting. So if it doesn't have enough power, it will keep disconnecting from your PC and it will not work properly. Now, if you're sure that power is not a problem here, another thing that you need to check here is going to be the signal that is actually from your mouse. So, for example, there's your mouse, there's the receiver of your mouse, and this is whatever signal that is in between your mouse. Like, for example, maybe the signal is going to be your Wi-Fi. Now, if your mouse and your receiver is in between, or a signal is in between your mouse and receiver here, this will slow down your mouse, which in turns actually disconnects your mouse. Which in this case, the solution that you could do here is just basically move your interconnection. Like for example, if you have your Wi-Fi in here, you might want to move it elsewhere. Like for example, maybe move it around in here so that the signal is not being interrupted. Now also, if you're using your mouse from another room, this will keep on disconnecting. So in this case, make sure that your mouse and your receiver is from or is currently in the same vicinity or the same room or is near each other. Because usually it will lead to poor signal, which in turns keep on disconnecting you. Now, if this is not the problem, you're using it next to each other, there's no signal interfering between your mouse and your receiver, the next thing you can do here is adjust a few things on your power. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and go to your desktop. You want to go ahead and go to the very bottom here, and you want to go and type in the device manager. Go ahead and open this up. And from here, you want to go ahead and locate for your mouse. So we have mice and other porting devices here. So you want to go ahead and click on your mouse, right? Click on it. You want to go to properties. Now you want to look for power management. And if you see the option here that says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So in this case, if you do see this option turned on, you want to make sure that this is actually turned off. Because if this computer, or in this case, if you allow the computer to turn off your device here, this will automatically disconnect your mouse, which in turn you won't be able to use it. So in this case, make sure to turn it off. Click on OK to save your changes, and that should solve your problem. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe at NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.